In this video, we will teach you how to solve the something went wrong error 1076 in Gemini. So let's get to it. The error 1076, along with the message something went wrong, is a known bug that occurs in the Gemini ecosystem both on the web and in the Android, iOS, and workspace apps. That code indicates a communication problem or overload on Google servers or a session conflict in your browser. For example, on June 10th, 2026, a major global outage of Google servers caused this error on a massive scale due to a failure in their internal databases. If it is happening to you right now, you can solve it by following the recommendations we will give you below. The first of these is to force a session refresh. This is the most effective trick because many users in the technical community have discovered that forcing the system to load advanced tools eliminates the error loop. So you will have to go directly to the GEMS creation address. This forces the backend to reset your account components and usually bypasses the error. The address is the one you see on the screen, and we will be leaving it in the description section of this video so you can visit it directly. In this case, you will have to assign a name to your gem, a description, and an instruction. Then you will have to tap on the save button and then on start chat. This will reset the backend and you will be able to start talking to Gemini again. The second step is a much simpler method since error 1076 usually pops up in very long conversations because the server gets saturated when processing all the current accumulated context. So you will have to open the left sidebar and click on new conversation, since clean chats require fewer resources and usually respond immediately. Finally, a couple of tips to rule out browser problems. If the Google server is already stable but your browser got stuck with the error, you will have to do a test in incognito mode. So click on the top right section of the browser where the three dots are and then open a new incognito window, visit the Gemini website, log in, and you can start your chats from there to rule out browsing errors. Another recommended action is to tap on the top right icon with the three dots, then enter the settings, then enter the history section, open the history page, and then enter the clear browsing data section. Here, you will have to delete the browsing history, cookies, cache, and, if you prefer, the download history. Generally, deleting the last 7 days is enough, but you can also delete the last 4 weeks or the all-time history. The only disadvantage of doing this is that you then have to log back into each of the accounts you already had open in your browser. With these tips, you will surely be able to start your conversations in Gemini again without major inconveniences. And that is all for our video this time. We hope it has been useful to you. If it was, leave us a comment, a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications bell so you do not miss any of the upcoming videos we will bring you. Until next time.